Now, bache, the next topic is social responsibility of business towards various parties. There are major six parties, and we have to discuss the social responsibility of business towards them. Those parties are owners, employees, consumers, government, community, and general public. So first we will talk about towards owners. What are the social responsibilities of business towards its owners? Those who have invested money, what they want. Number one, to ensure safety of capital. To ensure safety of capital. They have to think about the safety. Their capital should be safe and it should not be risky. Then ensure proper dividend. Why shareholder invest money in the business? Just for dividend. Proper and timely dividend. Timely they want dividend, not late. Okay, bache? These are the major three responsibilities of business towards the owner. The safety of their capital, proper and regular dividend on time. Then bache, informing about the progress. Information about progress of the business. Generally, we prepare accounts at the end of the accounting year, but those companies whose shares are listed in stock exchange means who's working on the money of shareholders, they have to show their results quarterly. They have to publish their quarterly results. Means they have to fulfill their social responsibility towards the owners, that they are informing them about the progress of the business time to time. Proper information should be given to them. Then bache, ensure proper utilization of money. Money should not be wasted up. Utilization of money. Whatever they have invested money in the business, that should be properly utilized. And to treat all the shareholders equally. Treat all shareholders equally. There should not be any partial behavior with anyone. So, bache, these are the social responsibilities of business for its owners. For owners, they are responsible for the safety of capital. Whatever the amount owner have invested, that should be safe enough. And proper dividend, part of profit which we are giving to the shareholders is called dividend. They should get proper dividend and timely dividend. They should get information about the progress of the business, what a company is doing. Then proper utilization of money. Their money should not be wasted up. Then treat all shareholders equally. They should treat all the shareholders equally. These are the social responsibilities of business towards owners. Now we will talk about the social responsibilities of business towards employees. What are the social responsibilities of business towards employees? Number one, giving them appropriate remuneration. Appropriate means just and fair, which is required for their livelihood. Appropriate remuneration means appropriate salaries and wages we have to give them. Clean working environment. Clean working environment should not be polluted. The working environment should be clean enough. Then we have to consider about their dignity. Everybody is having some dignity, some respect, and we have to respect their dignity. Share of profit. If our employees are working hard and due to their hard work we are earning good profits, we should divide those profits among them. We should share our profit with them. Security of job. If our employees are very good enough and they are doing very well, then we should provide them security of job. Then bache, giving participation in management. We should involve them in management also. For taking certain decisions related to them, we should call them up. Solving their problems, problem solving. If they are having certain problems, we should solve them in time. So these are the basic responsibilities of business towards its employees. These are the social responsibilities of business towards the employees. Now third party claims, that is towards consumers. Towards consumers, those who are buying our products. Towards consumer, good quality products at reasonable price. Good quality products at reasonable prices. We should not charge much from them. Okay. Then bache, we should bring out reality in advertisement. Some advertisements are beyond the reality. They are saying that they can fair any type of complexion within 7 days. This is not reality. This is beyond reality. So these type of things should be avoided. Avoid adulteration. Adulteration means mixing of something in the main product. It should be avoided. We should provide after sale services to make goods available according to the taste of consumer. To be civil with them, civil and polite. We should be civil and polite with their customers, and we should solve their problems politely, and to avoid profiteering and stockpiling. Some people, what they do, they hoard the material, black market, then they create the artificial scarcity of certain things, and then they start making profits by black marketing that goods. So these type of things should be avoided. These are the social responsibilities of business towards owners, employees and consumers. Three more parties are there. Towards government, you have certain, as a businessman you are having certain responsibilities towards government. To pay the taxes honestly, we have to pay the taxes honestly. Then observe the rules and regulations. We should observe all the rules and regulations of the government. And helping the government in establishing new industries. Helping in establishing new industries. If new industries will be there, development will be there. And we should not exploit the government machinery by unfair means. Then towards community, what we should do towards community. So bache, what are the social responsibilities of business towards community? To make available employment opportunities. What we can do for community? We can provide them opportunities for employment. Then avoid pollution. Avoid environment pollution. For our community, we can do certain things. We should avoid the pollution. To contribute to raising the standards, we should try to raise the standard of living. If you will look at 50 years back India and now India, there is a lot of difference. And just because of business, 50 years back there was no four wheelers this much of quantity. Automobiles were not there, mobiles were not there, the facilities for entertainment was not there, TVs and other things were not there. But now with the invent of more and more products, the standard of living is increased. So this is also a social responsibility of business towards society, community or society. Then not to resort in indecent advertisement. No indecent. Sometimes the advertisement which comes, this is not, that looks not decent, so we should avoid these type of things. Last is bache, the social responsibility of business towards the world, the general public. Towards the general public we are having certain social responsibilities to contribute international peace. Beta, we should try to maintain peace on international level. We should not indulge any type of activity which can spoil the peace of society. And we should observe the rules of international market. Beta, if our business is with multinational company, means we are dealing in more than one country, so we should observe the rules and regulations of international market. Then we should try to help in the development of economically backward countries, help in development of backward countries. We should try to do the business honestly. This is the main responsibility of business. And lastly, we should ensure protection of human rights. Protection of human rights. This we can do for the world and the general public. We should protect the human rights.